What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you get the information you need right up front, and if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Today we're going to show you all about the new Shared tab in Microsoft Teams private chat. So it's not files, it's shared now, and it has the links and the files. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you're...
Before we get started, thank you so much for your support. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit those comments up. Let us know what you think. All right, let's get it rolling. Okay, let's get that timer rolling. First we got, look, files is shared now. Much more than files. See, discover all the web links and more file types from this chat. Got it. We click on shared. And now if there were any links or files shared, they'd be listed here, but there hasn't really been any shared with myself. Probably not such a great demo, but you probably have a lot more stuff than I do, so you're gonna see stuff. Click on it and make it happen. Okay. So yeah, this would have been a much better example if there were, some conversations had. But you know what? I do believe I can chitty chat with myself. And let's go. Well, do we need to do that? Can we just do this? Do we even want to do this? Is it gonna convert? No, for real? We're really not gonna. Is that gonna? Okay, well there. Alright. That's cool. Alright, so there's a link and then a file. I mean, yeah, now. Okay, so with Movie Magic, we now have a file and a link. Okay, I guess there's a reason why Microsoft added the chat to yourself feature, because that's exactly what I did. I just chatted myself a link and a file, and then I go to the shared. That was weird. Hold on. Check it out. So we go here. Yep. And then we go, there we go. And we go shared, and there we go. So, sweet. It's pretty slick. Let us know what you think about it. Do you think you're going to use it when it rolls out? Do you have it yet? Are you looking forward to getting it? Are you going to hate it when you get it and want it to be just like it was? Let us know in the comments. Until then, do the very best you can with what you got. Remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes.